Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. I'm doing this retwist a little bit early, like a week early, because my birthday is in a few days and I just wanted my hair to be done for my birthday. So I'm going to be doing a twist out, but I'm going to wear the twist as a style up until my birthday, and then I'll probably take them out around then. I really liked how my hair came out before when I did them, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. Now, the only thing different about this retwist, other than me doing twist, is going to be this oil. If you watched that video of me doing my brother's hair, I used hemp seed oil because that's the oil that he had, and by accident I took it from him, and it was my hemp seed oil that I gave to him. I'm just gonna steal some of it back. Oh well. Also, I'm gonna be using my Lily of the Desert aloe vera jelly. And then I have my rose water in here. I think it's just mixed with a small amount of regular tap water. I didn't record the first few rows because I just really wanted to utilize this time as best as I could. So you guys will see the process of me retwisting and actually putting the twist in as well later on in the video. Y'all, I've been using the same gel this entire set. It will be, what, 5 months? Oh wait, did it pass 5 months? It passed 5 months with this set now. So I've been using the same exact gel, and I have yet to have a significant amount of buildup, which I'm super happy about. I try to use as minimal product as possible. And when I moisturize my hair, I only use rose water and oil as well. So I'm really happy that I've gone almost half a year without having to do an apple cider vinegar soak. However, I'm still going to be doing one soon just to, you know, kind of balance out the pH of my hair and everything, and just get anything that is on my scalp or in my locks out. For some of my locks, I do have strands that come out like this one, so you will see me attempt to locksmith those areas, even though it didn't do much. A lot of people will say that locksmithing doesn't really do much, but it didn't do much because now that my hair is out of the twist and it's out, all that frizz is back and all those loose strands are back. So it's nice for a short amount of time, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it will stay that way. My hair is still very immature, and I understand that it's going to take a long time, many more months, for my hair to compact and mat together more. Wait until you guys see the results at the end of this video. I love them so much. I think locksmithing them, even though it didn't last long after I took the twist out, I do think that it helped as far as making my hair look neat and clean, which is what I wanted for my birthday. So it ended up working out. So you guys can see that I ended up bending the ends of the twist and then rubber banding them. I went ahead and just redid all the ends for the ones I did before. And that's because I just thought that it would look better I didn't want them to look as straggly at the ends, and when I take the rubber bands out, I didn't want me to be pulling like the hairs out from the end of my lock, and I just felt like this would minimize that. And plus, it just hurts less pulling them out this way. Not pulling them out, but you know, taking them out this way, it hurt a lot less. This bread is hell. I'm about to put these bad boys in. Hopefully it will give some weight to the shorter ones that are sticking out, because I'm not down with that. I don't like that. So yeah, I think my hair did come out really nice though, but you know, it's just super stiff the first couple of days and they like to just do whatever. So I'm gonna put these in and show you guys the final look. Oof. My allergies are something else right now. Anywho, so this is the final look. What I'm gonna do is I have some pins and I was trying to experiment with some different styles that I could do. I think I'm just gonna pin the sides. I think that's pretty. Much better. See, now I'm smiling. Now I'm in a better mood. So it is the next day. These twists did not last long at all, and I'm not mad about it because look at these results. Feel me? I feel like a chandelier right now. But yeah, those twists, they just were not happening. I was not feeling them. Even the style that I had them in, I felt like I could only do that style and be happy with it. And I just knew I was not gonna have it last until my birthday. Cause I got all this time off of work. I was supposed to go on vacation. My vacation got canceled, so I got all these days off to just be cute, feel cute. So I'm gonna do that. And those twists, I don't know why my voice sounds like this, Jesus. And those twists just were not cutting it at all, at all. So I took them out. It took me a while. I took out all the shells that I had in and put shells on probably 90% of my locks. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like, because at this point I'm just kind of rambling and my face looks so oily, but I promise you it's not. It's just glow, baby, glow. Do the shake test, so if any of the ones that aren't secure, they're gonna fall out. But if you, for a grip and nothing happens, Gucci. So I've been doing that ever since I put the shells in. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results. I think it's gonna look so pretty for my birthday. I'm really feeling this. I got some length going on. I got some texture going on. It's nice and clean and neat. I'm very happy with my hair right now. So I just want to show you guys what it was looking like the next day. I don't want to just end the video with you guys not actually seeing how I really ended up with my hair. So this is it. And plus you get to see the results of the twist out. So it's killing two birds with one stone, kind of. So now that this is it for the video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.